How to record your Android screen. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can record Android screen. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So on your Android device, you will have a built-in screen recorder. You can use that recorder to record your Android screen. So here's how you can use it. On your home screen, you have to swipe down from the top of your screen and open the quick setting panel. Under the quick setting panel, swipe to your left and there you'll have the option for screen record. In case if you don't see it immediately, tap on the pencil icon from the quick settings and then you can edit your menus. So under the screen record, you have to tap on screen recorder. After that, a small toolbar will appear. There you have to choose from an options where you can turn on microphone audio if you want to record your voice. Also, some devices allows you to show touches on the screen. So once you tap on screen record, you will have the options for microphone or the touch screen, and according to your preferences, you can either turn it on or turn it off. Once you're done, simply tap on start or start recording, and after the countdown, a recording will begin. To stop recording, tap on the red recording icon which will be available on the notification bar, and once you are done with that, your recording will be saved in your gallery under screen recordings and you can find it there. But in case if your Android device does not have a built-in screen recording, then you can download the other recorder application from the Google Play Store and then follow the simple setup to start recording your screen on Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.